Hello ladies and gentlemen, Pictures here, just will quickly show you another endgame study. So in this position, white wins. In all the studies, somehow white is the winning or making a draw, and black is the side who will never win, unfortunately. So black has extra piece, extra rook, and they have to stop to this passed pawns. And that's actually happens all the time in chess. So sometimes this pawn works a lot. So this bishop here controls the d7, and it's white turn to move. So what would you play in this position? So white plays a7, the only logical move. Yeah, you need to move the pawns towards the promotion square. Black cannot play rook to a7 because bishop will take it. So they play this obvious move, bishop to e4, stopping this pawn from queening. So the next move is to play d7. And white says that, okay, I'll promote the second pawn. So black stops it with rook to d2. So it looks like white is in trouble. But what do you think white played here? So white plays bishop to d5. And it's interference. Yeah. So if you take with this rook, then unfortunately this queen appears on a8. And if you take with the bishop, then unfortunately this queen promotes. So there is another way of defense. A7 here and king g6. So the only move is king to g8. Rook to d2, again stopping kind of all the pawns. And how would you play in this position with white? So white wins with bishop to c2. Another interference. Yeah. If you capture this way, then I can play queen a1 and your bishop is pinned. Yeah, I can capture it, I think, yeah, with check and then promotes. And if you take with take the rook, take the bishop, then d8 wins easily. All right, so I think pretty nice decision. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.